Guten Tag. Welcome to the work of week beginning 1st of February. For Nat 5s, this slideshow will be your lesson 1, and for Nat 4s, this will be your lesson 1 and 2. We're going to be talking about food and what makes a healthy diet. Okay, for task 1, we're going to be looking at the words gesund and ungesund, healthy and unhealthy. You've got a row of pictures here. And all I want you to do is write down in your exercise jotter the numbers 1 to 14 and look at the picture and write down, is that gesund, healthy, or ungesund? So I want the German word each time. Okay, for the second task, I want you to look at the fruit and label the picture. So it might be an idea to print it off. Otherwise, if you just want to write it in your vocab jotter with the English meaning, or you can draw a picture if you prefer. Okay, you may need to use an online dictionary to help you, and you can get one at wordreference.com. This one's exactly the same task as last slide, but this time it's Gemüse, which are vegetables. Okay, so again, label the pictures or put a list in your vocab jotter in German and English. Task 4 again is just about building up your vocab to do with food. So you've got a list of foods down the left hand side, and I want you to match them to the picture. So Fleisch is meat, Gemüse, vegetables, Obst, fruit, Pommes are chips, Kaffee, coffee, Schokolade, chocolate, Saft, juice, Kuchen, cake, and Kekse, biscuits. Task 5 is also a vocab task. I'm thinking by now you would probably know quite a lot of these phrases, but just to give you the chance to note down any you're not sure of. Okay, maybe the last couple on this slide, but I'm thinking that a lot of these you'll have seen before in lots of different topics. Task 6 lets you see how you can put together sentences describing your eating habits. Okay, so that's combining a time phrase that's in bold with what you maybe eat or drink. So I'm going to read them through to you, but what you've got to do is to copy them down in German and then translate them into English. Number 1. Ich esse oft Pizza. Nummer 2. Ich esse jeden Tag Bonbons und Schokolade. Number 3. Ich esse nie Fisch. 4. Ich trinke ab und zu Kaffee. 5. Cola trinke ich nie. Das ist ungesund. 6. Ich esse jede Woche Salat und Gemüse. 7. Ich liebe Obst. 8. Ich hasse Pommes. So now you know from task 6 what those sentences meant. It's over to you for task 7. I've given you sentence starters and you're going to fill them in with some kind of food or drink at the end. Okay, obviously in German. Tell us about what you eat often, every day, never, now and again, and what you love and what you hate. Okay, for this one you've got a vocab grid that shows you how to put together a sentence. So you've got some starting with Ich esse, I eat, and then Ich trinke, I drink, and then on the right hand side you've got foodstuffs at the top, things that you can drink at the bottom, and in the middle you've got time phrases. So you may be making up a sentence working from left to right, and what I'd like you to do is record yourself saying 6 different phrases and send me that as a voice note. Okay, so for instance it could be Ich esse jeden Tag Kekse. Ich esse ab und zu Pommes. Ich esse sehr oft Käse. Ich trinke nur wenig Cola. Ich trinke ab und zu Mineralwasser. And so on. Okay? So for task 9, the task really is on the next slide, but here you've got 4 passages, people talking about what they like to eat and drink and how often. Their names are at the bottom of each one. What I want you to do is on the next slide you'll see some phrases in English, and from the passages here I want you to put them into German. So I don't want you to Google translate them, I want you to find the phrase from within these 4 passages. So here are the English sentences that I want you to find the German for within the 4 passages on the previous slide. Okay, and just a little plenary task to finish off with. You've got 5 sets of groups of words there, and for each one I want you to choose an odd one out and give me a reason why that is. Okay, we might all come at this from a different angle, so your reason is really important so I can understand why you think the word that you've chosen is the odd one out.